Here's a barless roller, blue barless, James Turner line, white flights. Here's a young bird from this year too. Look at this guy. He's full of energy. It's a blue checker. Doesn't have a mate. He kind of reminds me of those those horseman powders or Cuban powders. I don't have any of them, but he has like kind of a high sex drive. He's always after hens. He'd be really fun to fly around. Like all of the birds are sitting like a little bit gloomy because it's chilly outside. There's a nice silver bar. It's a silver bar hen.